Audio Jungle.
Every day is a new chance. A chance to get better. A chance to be the best version of you. Have you ever experienced that moment when you get up in the morning, you're full of energy and you can't wait to get to work? Well, that will need some efforts. Let's go back. Go back to the day before. Hi. So you might be wondering, why am I sitting here in this dark space with all the lights up and on? Sitting here talking to you was a plan of mine. As simple as that. I planned it yesterday and I'm doing it today. So, I have a question. How many of you have heard of Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world? What a question. Every one of us have. Okay, but how many Burj Khalifas have you heard of? One? Yes? But there are more. The first Burj Khalifa was born in the mind of the administrator. The second, in the visualization of the architect. The third, with the construction engineer. Fourth, with the workers. And it keeps going on. What we finally see at Dubai is the outcome of all these Burj Khalifas. What does it mean? Something to happen tomorrow is to be visualized today. Now you will feel that energy to wake up every morning and get to work. Well, I would like to share 5 important things necessary for your day. Here it is. The first one is to meditate. Meditation can benefit your life in a million ways. From increasing your leadership capacity to improving your memory or focus. Once you start meditating every day, you feel like every morning is a present. Every morning is a gift. If you have a plan, if you have a goal, if you need something in life, you'll surely be motivated to meditate. That's for sure. The basic things we need, like decision-making skills, thinking, planning, attentive focus, you can acquire all this by this simple step. And the second one is about expressing yourselves. Once you calm and clear your mind with meditation, it's time to express. Take a piece of paper, take a pen, write down all the things you want to do for the day in the order of their priority. Writing down your goals helps to remind you of what you are trying to achieve. Written goals are more powerful. Link them to a vision, set a deadline, and there you are on the right track. The third and the most important one, willpower. Reminding you the statement of Michel Genin. Where there's a will, there's a way. Perhaps tomorrow, if not today. Just remind yourself. If it was easy, everyone would do it. You only fail when you stop trying. Grab the power, get that force that makes impossible possible. The fourth step is about organizing things. It's really hard to stay focused at times, but being organized is the key. For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Effective management is the effective use of your time that allows you to plan your day in such a way that you finish your work with less effort and make the most of the time you have got. And the last, but never the least, work. Ultimately, in life, work is worship. Hence, to succeed, there is no alternative to work. All the 4 mentioned earlier, hence are precursors for doing effective work. Let me tell you, work hard, work really hard. Things may not always go your way. There'll be times when you have to face challenges, ups and downs. Be patient and believe in yourself. Looking back, meditate, express, willpower, organize, work. Yes, now you know how wow you are. Finally, people's gonna choose you. Me? Wow.